Creating a personalized gift card or greeting card for Teacher's Day is a thoughtful gesture that teachers will appreciate. Here's a step-by-step guide to making a handmade greeting card. Materials needed: cardstock or thick paper for the base of the card, colored paper for decorations, markers, pens, or colored pencils, scissors, glue or double-sided tape, stickers, glitter, or other embellishments optional, ruler for precise measurements, printed pictures or photos optional. Steps to create the card: choose your card base, select a piece of cardstock in the color of your choice. Fold it in half to form the card. The standard size for a card is 5 inches by 7, but you can adjust the size as needed. Design the front of the card. Title: message. Write a simple message like, "Happy Teacher's Day," or, "Thank you, teacher," using bold letters. Decorations: use colored paper to create shapes like apples, books, or stars and glue them onto the front. You can also add a ribbon or some stickers to make it more attractive. Personal touch: if you have any photos with your teacher, you could print and add one to the front of the card. Create a personal message inside. Write a heartfelt message expressing your gratitude. Here are a few ideas. Thank you for always inspiring me to do my best. Your dedication to teaching makes a world of difference in my life. I'm so lucky to have you as my teacher. You can also include a quote about teaching or education. Add decorations inside. You can add small cutouts, doodles, or borders around the message. If you're feeling artistic, draw something that reminds you of your teacher. Add a gift card holder optional. Cut a small slit or pocket on the inside of the card to insert a gift card if you're including one. You can decorate this section as well. Final touches: double check your work for any glue spills or uneven edges, and trim if necessary. Write your name and the date at the bottom or back of the card. Ideas for extra personalization: theme-based design. If your teacher has a favorite subject, theme the card around it, e.g., math symbols for a math teacher. Pop-up feature: add a simple pop-up design inside the card to surprise your teacher. Interactive elements: you can create flaps, pockets, or spinning wheels that reveal messages or images. This handmade card, coupled with a personal message, will surely bring a smile to your teacher's face on Teacher's Day.